Hello, today I'm going to react to GFriend, Rain in the Springtime. Yeah, someone requested I react to this song, so I will. That's when Yerin had the blonde hair, yeah. She looks good with blonde hair. Sounds good. This is really pretty, isn't it? The background and the way they look. It's funny, I just watched the Expectation versus Reality, so it's funny when I watch them being like really normal, acting normal. So good, sounds awesome. So pretty. I like how some are sitting and some are standing, kind of adds a bit of variety to it as well. Looks good. I like someone's hair color, it's nice. Nope, no subs. I'd love to know what it was meaning. Rain in the spring. Although sometimes it's nice not knowing the lyrics, you can kind of just listen to it. Like when I listen to Japanese music, it's like that. I just like the sound of it. Oh, she's got like tips or something in her hair. It looks really nice. I love when they sing it, they really actually convey the emotion. Like, I don't know what the song is saying, but you can just see that, you know, they're really into it when they perform it, which is really cool. Thanks for requesting that. Yeah, a lot of songs I don't know from them, so I'm learning them slowly, so yeah. Awesome, thanks for watching guys, see you later.